Hello and welcome back to the Midwich TV station on the purple sofa today. Christina Barnes, and we are promoting the retail event which is coming up shortly. Christina has pretty much put this together with the marketing team, so she's going to tell us a little bit more about the logistics involved.
Great, thank you, Mark. Yes, so if you'd like to come and join us at our retail shop hospitality event, it's an afternoon and evening event taking place on Thursday the 10th of May at the Oxo 2 Tower in London. So that's from 3 p.m. until 10 p.m.
Now there's loads of vendors already lined up, I believe. We've got Iyama, Panasonic, we've got Peerless, we've got DataPath, absolutely loads more to come. I believe there's canopies, there's cocktails,
yes.
So it's going to be a great event. I think already we're getting a lot of interest on it.
Yes, definitely. And I'd just like to mention registration for this event is completely free. So that's not only for our resellers, but for their end users as well. And you can find full details of the event on midwich.com/events, and that will give you a chance to register. That will give you a little bit more about the vendors and the technologies they're bringing, and also where you can register your end users as well for free. It's all free.
It's all free. Everything's free. So we look forward to seeing you there, basically. We're already getting lots of registrations. Like I say, loads of vendors will be there. It's a big show for us, big show for the channel. The Purple Couch might make an appearance as well. So thanks very much, Christina. And thanks, customers, for hopefully registering and coming to the show.